beautiful people, my name is Bridget and welcome back to my channel. Hope you're having an awesome day. And yes, I'm trying a new makeup style today. I have really light feathery lashes on, like barely any eyeshadow, and a really light lip. I don't know how I feel about it. I feel like I look naked, but you guys can let me know what you think of it down below with this like different vibe going on. But today we're doing another makeup unboxing, but this is going to be a little bit different. So I'm going to do quickly at the end of the video the Yes So Yes box bag for July. But the main star of the video is from Friend Shop, which is a free beauty box. The Friend Shop is sponsoring today's video. Today we're going to go over everything they got in this like free box. It's like a free beauty sample box. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Alright guys, before we get started, I have talked about Friend Shop on my channel before, so some of you guys may know. Friend Shop is a really good website for saving money on makeup products. So let's say you and a bunch of your friends are shopping for makeup online. You can go through Friend Shop to buy like they're really legit products like Anastasia Beverly Hills, Tarte, everything you get on regular websites. Just go through Friend Shop to buy it. You can save up to 30% off. Also, which I think is really cool, you can split the order to ship to different places, so you don't have to get it all shipped together at once if you don't want to. But it's a way to save up to 30% off by buying in bulk different products with your friends, which is really awesome. And they also have these new free beauty box, which is full of samples of things. Now, I love full-size products, but I also love the fact that sometimes if you go to a Sephora, you can get samples of things to see if you like before you actually buy the full-size product. So today we're doing a unboxing with a super cute box. Look how cute that is. That is so cute. Today we're going to do an unboxing of this box. You can get these boxes through Friend Shop, and there's no credit card required to put in to get the box. So just so you know, there's no credit card required. I know a lot of these things people are like, well, you're going to maybe put a credit card in. You don't have to with this one. But yeah, I'm super excited. Also, I would probably sign up for samples. Like, I don't get the Ipsy regular bag because it's all small stuff. But if it was like one of these things where it's like a free box of stuff, I would probably do it. So here we go in here. We got a little sticker from Friend Shop. It looks really cute because, you know, friendship and stuff. And then I haven't even opened this yet. So here we go. There's a whole bunch in here. This box is also super cute. Like, I love the front packaging. It screams very Florida to me. And then there's a whole bunch in here. There's like a lot. Okay, so first I see I'm dropping stuff. I see two perfume samples, which I'm not the biggest perfume person in the world, so probably would just use the samples. This is the Yves Saint Laurent Mon Paris. I'm gonna give it a sniffy. Can I give it a sniff? It smells slightly floral. Then we have a Chanel Paris Gabrielle sample. I'm gonna spray this one because I can get this one open. That one smells very mature. It smells really pretty. It kind of smells like Chanel No. 5 mixed with, if Chanel Blue was for females, that's kind of what it smells like. Well, next up in here we have some Drunk Elephant. So I've never tried Drunk Elephant. I keep seeing everyone talk about so many good things. They talk about Sunlight Riley and Drunk Elephant. I've never tried Drunk Elephant before. So this is a sample of their Lala Retro Whipped Cream. And there's like a decent amount of product in here. So I'm excited to try that. After that, there's just a whole bunch. I'm not going to keep picking up the box for it. This is from Fresh, which I have tried before. So this is a soy facial cleanser sample. So whereas some of these samples, like maybe the perfume or make like a cleanser, I probably wouldn't use. I love throwing these in like free things. Like when I sell something on Poshmark, I'll throw in a couple samples of stuff sometimes. This is from Kiehl's. It is an ultra facial cream. This one's actually have a lot of product in this sample as well. Focus. This one has a bunch of product in this one. Next up is from Urban Decay. So this is a sample of their Naked Skin Highlighting Fluids. This one really calls me. I think it's so pretty. I think I've gotten this sample before. I'm not sure. Man, I think I've gotten this in something before. Okay, so next up is from Natasha Denona. That's fancy. And this is a decent amount of product in here. So this is Natasha Denona Transfer Matte Foundation, it looks like. So we have everything dark, medium, and light. Here are the sample colors here. This one still looks too dark for me, but like that's a decent amount of product in here for a free sample. And then it has like a little chart on the back to show you like the kind of shades they have. This one's pretty cool because Natasha Denona is pricey and you get a whole bunch of it. That one's cool. Next up, there's a bunch in here. Oh my gosh. So next up is from Bare Minerals. Nothing Beats the Original Foundation. Is it a sample? Oh, okay, it's in here. It's a little powder sample. That's pretty cute. You probably wouldn't get too much use out of this one, honestly. But if you want to see the color, it's a pretty good chance you can do that there. Next is from NARS. I wish NARS was still cruelty-free. NARS, can you go back to cruelty-free? This is the Soft Matte Complete Concealer, but since this is free, I don't feel bad about it. It's a concealer sample. Again, you get these like little pods, and they have like a decent amount of product in here. And this light one looks pretty decently light too, so. And then again on the back has a chart. These with the foundation and concealer samples, really cool. I'm really into these. Next up in here is from Tarte. I love Tarte. What is this? How do you use the sample? Oh, it's just pressed powder onto paper. That's interesting. So this is a Tarte blush and exposed sample? So it's just like flat, right? I guess the powder, I'm gonna peel it up. Ooh, yeah, you can feel the blush printed on the paper. That's really cool. Interesting. Okay. Thank you, Tarte. I love Tarte products. This is from Urban Decay. This one's big. This one's got like thickness to it. So this is their Vice lipsticks. I'm gonna have to open this up. Oh, so many colors. I'm sorry, I was supposed to show you this. Look at all these colors of lipstick samples you get. This one is calling my name. ZZ, which is a cream lipstick. Looks so pretty. Whew. And if I liked metal lipsticks, Big Bang looks so pretty. But look at all these samples you get. This is so many. It's so many colors you can try, which is way better than like going to the store and swatching your arm up. Rapture looks really pretty too. Look at Rapture. This is a lot. This is like a lot of fun. Like, I'm not a stick lipstick person, but at least I can try it and see how I like it. Cool. Okay, so next up is from Too Faced. It's a sample of their glitter glue, which honestly, with their glitter glue, you don't need that much, so sample's probably all you need for 2 eyes. After that, it's another lipstick. So this is Yves Saint Laurent's lipsticks, lip masks. Huh? You get 3, and you get a little applicator too, which is cute. So you get a little wand and you get 3 lipstick colors here. The one I would probably wear would be the red. Cute. So this is their color balm. After that, this is like fun. So there's like, I get to try things out. Sometimes I just like sit at the end of the day, I wipe all my makeup off and I'll like try little things, or I'll try like a new color combination, or I'll try a lipstick color I never wear. Just like sitting around doing that. And that's what I think is fun with samples too. So this is from Jouer. It's their Essential High Coverage Liquid Concealer. I have this concealer. It's not my favorite thing in the world, but at least you can try it out. So we have 4 colors here: Wheat, Creme Brulee, Dulce de Leche, and Amber. So it's a little sample of their concealer. There doesn't appear to be too much product in this. It seems very flat, but it's free, so I'm gonna take it. This concealer is really good, but it only works with certain setting powders, so it's nice you can test it out and like try with setting powder first, because it does react really weird with some setting powders. But other than that, that is what's in the Friend Shop sample box. So we have a concealer sample, a lipstick trio sample, a highlighter sample. I'm gonna stop saying sample. Glitter glue, a bunch of lipsticks, a blush, a facial cream, 2 perfumes, which I'm glad there's only 2 perfumes. Like, I prefer more makeup-y samples, concealer, foundation, setting powder, facial cleanser, and whipped cream. I don't know what the whipped cream is. Overall, it's pretty good. A lot of it isn't, other than like there's some multiple lipstick things, a lot of it isn't too many duplicate products, like it's all blush or it's all powder samples. It is a good mix in here, and for being free, that's really, really cool. So I'm into that. Also, Friend Shop is just really sweet to work with, so I'm glad to be working with them today. And yeah, that's what's in the Friend Shop box. That's really cool. Now, really quickly, I'm doing this at the end of this video because I got a lot of crap for it unboxing this one last time. I didn't know there was like a situation with Yes Oh Yes. A lot of my comments on that video were saying that they're not legit or there's issues with the company, and I didn't know anything about that. So I do have their July bag, and everything seemed fine to me in their June bag, so I don't know what to think. I'm still like wondering why there was so much, I don't know, but I'm just a little bit confused by it all, I guess. So I have their June bag. I'm still gonna unbox it. So this is from Bodyography. It is their long wear eye pencil, and I don't know what color this is. It's an, I'm tired of getting eyeliner pencils, honestly. So this is a purple. I actually have this one, I think. The Bodyography purple is like an eggplant kind of color. Eyeliner right here. The next thing in here is big. Is it a palette? Please be a palette. Wait, this is new. This just launched. I just reacted to this in Unfiltered Opinions. This is the Net 69 and Beauty Creations palette. It looks like that. It looks like Claire's makeup, kind of. This just came out. I'm surprised to have something that just came out in a box. So this is the palette. I just lost the sleeve for it. There's the palette. Huh. It does look like Claire's makeup. It's like it's kind of cutesy and kitty. But I'm surprised to see something so new. Beauty Curations palette, like this is probably the third Beauty Curations palette I've gotten. They all have a weird smell. So I'm not blaming the box or anything, but this is the palette. It's a pretty big palette to get in a subscription. The next thing in here is a liquid lipstick. This is from Sormay. It is a non-stop liquid lipstick in the shade Delight. This is what the color looks like. It's kind of a reddy brown kind of color. Interesting. I'm not too crazy about that color, to be honest, but everyone is different. After that, we have a Timeless Beauty Bar Up in the Clouds sheet mask. This one's like, I hate to say this, but it seems like really wet, like there's a lot of fluid in here. So this is this. It says there's no animal testing, it's cruelty-free, so that's really good. It's just a facial mask. I've never heard of Timeless Beauty Bar before. And then the last thing in here, sorry, I thought I saw like a, it's just this thing that says the prices. It's 89% off retail for July. This is the Double Dare 4HD Sleek Eyeliner. I don't know if it's by the brand Double Dare or not. That's the only thing it says. This is the eyeliner. And then it's very black. It does not look black on camera. It's very black. It seems like a decent eyeliner. I like the unique packaging. It kind of reminds me of like a pen. I mean, I guess it does say it's kind of like a pen, but this unique packaging, pretty cool. So overall, everything that we got in the Yes Oh Yes box is this big palette, which is pretty cool, an eyeliner, another eyeliner, two eyeliners, a liquid lipstick, and a sheet mask. So overall, pretty decent bag for this month. I'll let you know the retail value on the screen for these things, but overall, yep, that is my unboxing video for today. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I will leave the Friends Shop box linked to the top of the description box. Thank you guys again for sponsoring today's video. I'm super excited to see all these different products. Like Natasha and Nona things, I probably wouldn't have tried without seeing it in person first. So now I can see it in person. That's pretty cool, and it's free. So like, no complaints here. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.